Most businesses don't lack data. They lack a clear view of it. Reporting in Venn changes that. Instead of stitching together spreadsheets, exports, and dashboards, you get a real-time view of your finances, starting with cash flow. This is where you understand how money moves through your business. So let's take a look what that looks like on Venn. You can see your total available balance on this first chart at different points in time if you hover. And right next to it, we have the earnings and savings widget. So you can quickly understand how much value Venn is generating for your business. And every chart is interactive. So I can actually click into the cashback or interest earned, and you'll see the exact transactions behind those numbers. And finally, the cash flow chart shows how much money moves in and out of your accounts. And filters let you quickly focus on exactly what you want to see. So you can filter by date range and accounts, and the level of detail automatically adjusts from daily to weekly, monthly, or even quarterly views, depending on the date range selected. So let's say you wanted to look at your USD accounts last year. I click USD, select last year, and you get that view immediately. Or let's say you want to zoom in on your CAD accounts this month, you select this month and you get a quick view into that immediately as well. Next up, we have card spend. This is where you see how your team is actually spending money. So here in the first chart, you see your total card spend over time, with each data point that I'm hovering over representing a given small date range. And if I click into that, you can view the purchases that you made on the transactions table for that time period. You can also get insights into where your money is going by these next top spend widgets. So the first one is top spend by categories, the next is top spend by merchants, and finally you have top spend by card holders. You can even click into any of the merchants or card holders and you're taken directly again onto the transactions table to see the relevant transactions made to that merchant or by that card holder. You can also track operational gaps like missing receipts or memos and drill into each transaction that need attention. And finally, you can also get a detailed view of decline on transactions and understand why they were declined, whether it's due to limits, restricted categories, or controls you put in yourself. Reporting in Venn transforms raw banking data into clear, actionable insights, so you can move faster, stay in control, and even make smarter financial decisions.